I have a very specific message coming through for a collective right now. You will know deep down if this message is for you. So, you are being called to make your moves in silence. You can feel the momentum of something shifting for you. Something very powerful. You have been calling in certain dreams, certain manifestations with love, with your career, with your finances, with your home life. It's a collective message, take what resonates. But you're being called to make your moves in silence. Because 2025 is filled with gifts and blessings for you. And it is so important that you stay grounded and keep your connection pure with God. You're being given direction and actions to take that are going to lead you to the manifestations. But you need to make your moves in silence. What I mean by that is you don't share what you're doing or what you're planning with people. What you're doing is you're going to shock people, basically, is what I'm being shown. Whole body chills, my heart. You are going to shock people. The way that the universe is blessing you and providing for you is going to shock others. So make your moves in silence because it's happening. The point of the silence is because what you are doing is so sacred. And nobody can stop this for you. This is destiny. But you want to move in silence because you don't want the outside voices of others and opinions of others to sway you off your path of truth. Oh, I have whole body chills right now. Whole body chills. So, trust yourself. Trust the direction and the guidance that you are receiving. Keep connecting to spirit, your spirit team, to God. And this is very much a moment of stillness also within the month of like January and February. March, things are going to pick up a lot for you. But January and February is very much like stillness, taking care of yourself, planting the seeds, like getting the downloads and knowing what you're going to do and what you need to do, what you need to create, what actions you have to take, whatever it is. And trusting that guidance that you're receiving. And then you're going to know what steps to take and when to do it. But keep your focus within right now and don't focus on what's happening around you, because it doesn't matter what's happening around you. It doesn't matter what's happening around you. What matters is the guidance that you're receiving and your connection to God. Because you've been prepared for this over the years. You have been prepared for this timeline that you are in right now, and it's about to get so fucking good for you. So with that being said, keep trusting yourself. You have been prepared for this. For the last 6 years, you have gone through the ring of fire to purify your heart, to purify your desires. You do not come from a place of ego. You come from a place of pure heart. And that is why your rewards are here now. 2025, year number 9, cycle completion. The good karma that you have put out to the world is being returned to you 20-fold. Everything you desire is here. You need to let go of anything that you feel is causing you this confusion or feeling like you don't know what to do. You need to let go of either the people, the places, and whatever it is. And then you need to trust yourself and trust God and take the actions that you know you need to. You are building an empire. Some of you are building something so big. And you are fully supported by God in this path you take. Trust yourself. Trust in God. And keep your focus within. Keep your focus on you, taking care of your body, taking care of your mental health, making sure you get the proper nutrition every day, making sure you get exercise in, making sure you do meditation and yoga and energy clearing, connecting with spirit. It's like you're here. You're here. You're in the timeline. You're in the timeline that you've been desiring and dreaming of. And maybe there are some things crumbling around you right now. just a little bit. Some of you have some things, like there are relationships that I'm hearing that are breaking up. There are job opportunities that you're walking away from. There are things that you are, the crumbling is happening for some of you. Some of you are coming into fruition with love and with another person. Some of you are coming into fruition with a whole new beginning, and you see it. So some of you are still in the crumbling phase, and some of you are here and in this other phase. Whatever phase you're in, trust yourself, because you're in the timeline of your dreams right now. You are. Holy crap. Energy clearing, stay grounded, meditation, proper nutrition, take care of your body, and rest. 6, and release your worries. Release your worries and trust. Your mind creates your reality. It's a vibrational reality before it becomes physical. So feel it. It's happening. You're there. I love you. God loves you. You got this. If you would like to join us on January 25th, I'm having a community healing circle. We're going to be doing a planetary grid activation, Reiki healing, channeled messages, and just a group discussion. The last couple that I've held each month have been so powerful and so beautiful. I love holding this community space and meeting all of you and connecting with all of you online here. So the link to sign up for that is in my bio. I also have a few spaces available towards the end of January for soul readings, shamanic healings, Reiki healing sessions. I've been trained with the Kiro Incan shamanic lineage in several different healing modalities. So if you would like to dive deeper into your healing journey and help release any energies that are causing you to maybe feel like you're not in the space to receive what you've been desiring, or whatever it is that you want to let go of, pain in the body, any type of traumas that you've been experienced from past lives or this life as a child, whatever it is, we can dive really deep into that. I am honored to hold that space for you, whether it's in community or a personal session. I also have several different workshops and things that you can do if you want to dive into your Reiki training, or you want to learn about the universal laws, the Hermetic principles. Check out my website. Everything is linked in my bio. I love you all. Everything I offer is from my heart and purely connected to Source. It is an honor to be of service. All right. I love you. Bye-bye.